it's Kendra and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my wedding bar signs using photos of my two dogs and my iPad. I have an iPad Pro and I am using the app Procreate to do this. So I just insert my favorite photo of one of my dogs and I'm using the watercolor pens from iPad tutorials. I'll link it down below, and I just start color matching the fur and using the pens to kind of trace over the image. I really love the watercolor pens. You can of course use any pen that you want, but I love the effect of the watercolor. It just looks a little bit more homemade, kind of the vibe that I was going for. And it just kind of fit the vibe of my wedding best. With these watercolor pens, you can't really outline and then color fill the outline. It creates a really opaque image. So if you want to do a big area with these watercolor pens, kind of like I'm doing here with Luna's little like beard area, I wanted it to be translucent, so you just kind of have to color it in like you would a coloring book, which is also kind of nice. But here's how it looks done, and here is Astro, our other dog, so I wanted to use both of them. And you can handwrite the menu or whatever you're doing. I decided later on to do it in Canva because I wanted it to be a little bit more clean and professional looking, so I just did this on Canva. And I love how it turned out. I used this text a lot throughout my wedding with all the signs that I made, so it was cohesive and it just looked a lot better and it was easier. At this point I was pretty stressed to do handwriting, so this ended up being the best route. Then I just printed it out, framed it, and put it on the bar. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below, but I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!